the classic central morning sunrise. Pan around here and show you on the edge, the precipice of beautiful Lake Billy Chinook. This is Cove Palisades State Park here in Oregon. Most notably, I want to highlight these clouds across the way. Look at that. You got a cloud formation, fog-like ambiance, just slowly moving from right to left through this canyon. This, my friend, is absolutely beautiful. I love this ethereal effect. This is awesome. I'll show you the majesty that is Lake Billy Chinook. Oh, this is gorgeous. I like this blue ribbon of sky trying to break through the dark, ominous clouds. Right beneath that is actually an area called the Island. It's one of the largest areas of undisturbed land for like over 100 years in the entire United States of America. It's actually on a national registry. I'm here at Lake Billy Chinook, Oregon State Park here in Central Oregon, stopping in Overlook to look at this particular tendril. Let's go around. One of the things that makes Lake Billy Chinook famous is actually a confluence of three rivers, Deschutes, Metolius, and Crooked. Because of that, there's all sorts of tendrils, just like the one we're looking at now. This is not the entire lake. This is just one small section of a much bigger lake system. You can see why I consider this to be a top 5 park in the entire state.